Hi everyone, today we're going to be making maple barbecue salmon. And what are the ingredients for maple barbecue salmon? 2 pounds salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 2 to 3 tablespoons maple syrup, and we actually went to Vermont and bought this, and chives chopped for garnish. So let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So you want to take your baking pan and spray so the fish does not stick. And take your salmon fillets and put them bottom side down in the baking pan. And then you want to get a small bowl and take the 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, the 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, the 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, the 1/2 teaspoon of salt, the 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and the 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and mix it all together. Then you take your mixed up spices and sprinkle them over the salmon. Then take your maple syrup and drizzle it over each fillet. And then take a spoon and just kind of spread it all over and around so it's all covered. And then put it in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes until you can flake it with a fork. Alright, so they look done. Okay, so my husband has been eating the salmon that I fixed. I don't like seafood, so I fixed the salmon for the channel, and so he ate it all. And he has eye floaters and a glob of eye gel in there, and he's been trying to find ways to eliminate that or make it better. And so you need to go check out his channel. David does stuff. I'll enclose a link below, but it seems to be getting better, so I'm going to be doing my part and give you guys different salmon recipes and then help him out with his floaters. So we'll go ahead and finish this up. We'll go ahead and garnish it. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and brush on some maple syrup. I got a little crazy with drizzling it on there, but I'll just go ahead and put just a little bit more. Can't go wrong with maple syrup, right? And then sprinkle some chives on there. All right, so here is the maple barbecued baked salmon, and rounding out the meal is pork and beans. That's what my husband wanted to go with that. So I'll let him go ahead and do a taste test.
Well, it's really good. It's got some kind of a sweet flavor to it.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup, oh, okay. I like it. We can do this again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.